Hi, I'm Courtney from Silicon Publishing, and I'm going to show you how Silicon Connector for Box will make it easier for your teams to collaborate across InDesign, Photoshop, and Illustrator. Silicon Connector for Box is a plugin for Adobe InDesign, Photoshop, and Illustrator that makes it easier for teams to collaborate. It enables your team to collaborate on Box files from within the Adobe application while maintaining InDesign links in the cloud. Right within the Adobe applications, you can access Box through the Silicon Connector for Box panel. It will allow you to navigate through the folder hierarchy or search for files within the panel. The lock icon will let you know if someone is working on one of the files. This will prevent you from making changes to a file someone else is working on. When you find the file you want to work on, you can open it directly from the panel. You can also use Connector to find images that you want to place into your document. When you find the image you want, clicking the Place button will load the Place gun so that you can place that right inside your document. Links in the InDesign document are where the Silicon Connector magic really happens. When you place an image through the connector, the link is placed using an HTTP URL to the original asset inbox. This means the document can be shared across computers, both Mac and Windows, without any fear of broken links. Meanwhile, while I'm working in InDesign, one of my colleagues may be working on another file and another application. In this case, one of my colleagues might be working in Illustrator making a change to some of the art that I'm using in my InDesign document. When they're done, they can upload these changes right back to Box. Meanwhile, back in InDesign, I am automatically notified when that image is updated on the server. I can update that in my document and see the changes that my colleague made. When I'm finished in InDesign, I can upload my changes back to Box and unlock the file so that other team members can continue working on the document. To download a trial of Silicon Connector for Box and learn more about its capabilities, visit siliconpublishing.com/box.